Okay, how do you change the battery in a Maserati Levante? So first, we're going to open the trunk. We're going to pull up this cover. Looking at the battery, first thing we do is disconnect this. So push down on the gray tab, pull this up. Right, we're going to loosen this side with a 10 millimeter. Right, then this comes off. This side off also with a 10 millimeter. Remove the other screw. This should come right off. Yep, just like that. Meanwhile, you see this strap over here? There's a silver thing that you can push down, and then you can undo the strap. Just pull it all the way around, see it gets loose like that. So that one there happens to be a 13 millimeter. Come to put our 10 to the side. Here, take this off, separate all of this. So we're going to pull that out the side. And now the battery should be free. Oh my gosh, such a heavy battery, but it's free. I have this other battery that tested at 100% health. I'm really surprised because this is 8/2024, already testing bad at 24% health at 90% charge, so we'll deal with that later. Put it right in here. So I want to make sure these stay out of the way while I put the battery in, and I think that gives us adequate space. I guess I have to do it with one hand. Okay, so that's free. Drop this right in here, and then make sure the strap goes all the way around the battery. My goodness, it's so much easier to change this in a Levante than a Ghibli. The Ghibli was a lot harder. You pull that a little bit. There you go. Push this down, pull this. We want to lock that battery in place as much as we can. Breather tube up here. Stick it right in there. We have the negative. We're just going to stick on this side for now. Positive is going to go right here. We're going to take the red bar, stick it right in here. Take the two screws, those can go over here to hold your positive down. Tighten both of those down. Take the 13 millimeter, put it right over here. And then we're going to use this 13 millimeter to tie it down. Turn it like this, get it to a decent spot. Make sure the ratchet's turning the right way, and you obviously want to make sure this does not hit that, or else you're going to have a bad day. Then we're going to take our 10 millimeter, then we're going to tie this down. Then we're going to take the negative and put it here. And then we want to make sure we tighten that down as well. Right, so if we pull this up, and then lastly, power. Okay, you can hear that the power went on in the car all the way around. Then we have this cover over here. Just gonna snap that back in. Battery change completed in Maserati Levante.